You ready to be back to work?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, girl. Fist pound with little sparkle on top.
We're in the car doing another adventurous thing. Mommy's getting gas right now because we're going somewhere that takes an hour to get to. So today we're doing something that I've been doing and have and done a lot of times. You guys, I'm going to get a COVID test. I'm gonna be working on a TV show, and in order to be on set and doing a TV show, you have to get a COVID test. The unique part about this one is I've already taken 4 COVID tests before this. So I've taken every kind of COVID test. I took the one that was way up inside my nose, and then I took the one that was just a little bit around the edge. I even had to take the one that I give to myself. So today, I'm gonna be trying a brand new kind of COVID test. Come with us and see what we're doing. I'm gonna teleport us there right now. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we've arrived. Oh my goodness, here we go. Hi. We're supposed to be getting a COVID test.
You ready?
My ID. Oh shoot. Okay, hang on one second. Crazy.
Sam?
Yes. Yeah. My nickname's Sam. And then Chacha. Oh, we go in.
Yeah.
Okay, we park anywhere we want. Thank you. Holy cow! What? OMG, this is crazy. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Are you nervous? We've never done this kind before. You guys, this is insane. So we're at the place. Here she goes. Are you ready? Okay, this is a different kind of a test. Look, we're going down that ramp and we're gonna take a COVID test. I'm slightly nervous because we've never done this before, and they look like they're ready to take us on right now. But here we go. Check this out, girl. Look, you're gonna be doing one of these. Is that exciting? Crazy, huh? You ready to be back to work?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, girl. Fist pound with little sparkle on top. Open this thing up. Okay, hang on. This is what we're doing. We're gonna open this guy up. We're gonna
Take it out?
take that out, and you're gonna spit.
In here?
Yeah, you just spit into there, I guess. Did she just put her mouth on this and spit?
Basically.
Yeah? Okay. All right, there you go, girl. Spit. Start spitting. Long time. Keep going. So I'm gonna start too at the same time. We're gonna do this together, okay? Okay. Look. Look, I'm like literally going like this. Oh no. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna be here. We're gonna be here for a while, I have a feeling. I thought you had to fill this whole thing up. That would have been like crazy. I mean, cause it's like that big, but you only have to fill like a little piece. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it like, I think it's okay. I think I did it. We flip this.
Show them how to snap it shut. Which one is this one yours?
Yeah, let me see.
This
Yep.
is Sherry, this is okay.
So I'm gonna go like this, and then we're
And then
supposed to.
you're gonna unscrew the top.
Aren't we supposed to shake it? Or
We will do that in a minute. So that, but there's that in there, and then put the top on there.
Mommy, this?
Yes, that looks good. Actually, I think.
Actually, you've done very well.
Snap
Yep,
it shut.
Snap it all the way close. Really
Good.
hard.
Good.
girl.
Unscrew it. Then we shake it, shake it, shake it. Yep. We're gonna give this to her.
Okay.
She's gonna
And
put that here.
Is that
Guys,
about-
there's activator in there. I'm just gonna
I'm gonna let you slide
drop that in there. Hand sanitizer. Oh, okay, come over here. We did it. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Which ones? We've done the all the way up into our brain. We've done this one. We administered our own, and now we've officially administered the saliva one. So now we wait.
That was easy.
It was easy. And we are, oh, there's a bathroom right there. It says restricted. I see the RES and I thought it was restroom, but it actually says restricted. Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
I'm not sure here.
Okay, I'll look, thank you. Let's see if we can ask this guy. Here, let's go for a walk. We're gonna go for a walk because I gotta find a bathroom.